Hi, I'm Samantha Dybac, CEO and founder at the PR Hub. And today I want to dive into a hot topic: why letting AI write your press releases might actually be hurting your brand. I've put together a few of my tips on PR and AI to help guide you on your journey. First tip: use AI as your creative partner, not your pilot. AI is an incredible tool, but it is just that, a tool. As Reid Hoffman, co-founder of LinkedIn, says, treat AI like a co-pilot. It can help you with support and speed, but ultimately you are the driver. Next tip: authenticity is non-negotiable. PR is all about trust. Audiences and journalists are sharp. They know when something isn't real. Use AI to draft your ideas, create structures, but ultimately make sure you've got your personality in there, your language, your tone of voice. Next tip: don't sacrifice clarity for speed. It can be so tempting to use AI to fast track everything, but speed means nothing if your message is not clear. Think about your press release in the context of the pub test. Would the average person pick it up and read it and get it, appreciate it, be interested? If not, it's time to simplify, because those are the releases that will get traction. And to wrap it up, AI is a great tool, but it must be guided by you. Your strategic thinking, your experience, your powerful voice. So use it, but don't hide behind it. Your story deserves more than automation.